Hello, this is Ben with SCW. Today let's take a look at what to expect when your system arrives at your home or business. First off, you'll receive the Quick Start Guide. This is a very useful reference for both installation and operation of your system. It also includes the default password for your recorder. Next up, you'll receive the full product catalog of our current lineup, as well as some SCW yard signs and window stickers. All right, let's take a quick look of what you'll receive in the box of your SCW camera. First off, you'll receive a packing list. This is going to vary by the particular model that you ordered. You will receive a quick start guide, as well as a mounting template. This will be specific to the particular model. You'll also receive mounting screws and a weatherproof connector. Lastly, the camera. Now that I've taken the NVR and accessories out of the box, let's go over each of them. First off, we have the NVR here. If your order included hard drives, it will be pre-installed by our warehouse team. You will also receive a power cable for the recorder. A USB mouse is included with every system. This is going to give you full operation of the NVR. Some units also come with an IR remote. Now, if you have additional room for hard drives, we will include the additional power cables, data cables, and mounting screws for further expansion. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, visit us at getscw.com or give us a call at 828-483-4237.